Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Just getting off. Enjoy this Friday. Make a couple runs. Finna run here to Wreck Hits Guns and Ammo. Got denied before Christmas, so I'm here to pick up a handgun. So I'll get back with y'all in a few minutes. Yo, I'm walking in the door now.
All right. Thanks. Might need some help, second. Please see your driver.
Yeah, this is what I got. Been meaning to pick it up on Christmas, but it was an issue with the background check. So I just picked it up. The Taurus. Open it up, you get your paperwork. And it's still in the plastic. Taurus G2C 9mm. I'll be getting with you a little later on some reviews on it. I'm gonna take my wife to the gun range and see how it shoots. But you know, I'll be all around with the videos. I got a smoker getting built right now, so later on I'll be doing some, later on I'll be doing cooking videos and in the process of buying a cutlass and be doing some racing videos. I got a guy that's building me a smoker, so I will be doing videos on that. You know, just a whole lot of different things on my channel. You know, this new to me, so just bear with me. My videos get better as I progress. Peace.